Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can animate objects in photos in Premiere Pro. So basically, first things first, you want to import your file onto Premiere Pro. From here, we can just go ahead and duplicate our file by copying it and pasting it again on our timeline right here. And basically right after that, you can just go ahead and place it above the first photo. Now from there, what we want to do is to simply go ahead and highlight the part of the image that we want to move. In my case, I want to go ahead and move this person right here. Right after, you can just navigate through the effect controls. If you don't have the effects control right here, you can just click on Windows and make sure effect controls is enabled. Now inside, you want to navigate through opacity. Click this freeze rolled brazier right here, and right after, you can just go ahead and highlight the part of the image that you want to move. Well, to make this tutorial quick, I'm just going to quickly highlight this photo right here. Right after, you can just increase the scale with 30%. So in my case, it's going to be 130. From there, you then want to set the mask feather to 75, and lastly the mask expansion to 25. And so the only thing left to do now is to highlight or track the keyframe right here. So basically, you want to move your time frame on the part of the video that you want to start the animation. In my case, it's going to be at the beginning of the video right here. And right after, you can just click on the toggle animation. Go ahead and move the time frame once again, and from there you can just go ahead and move the character the way you want to. In my case, it's going to be on this specific position right here. And so if we go ahead and play out the video, it should then go ahead and look something like this. Now unfortunately, I have a very quick animation right here around 1 second, but you can just go ahead and make this longer if you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.